Did you know there are materials that both improve food factory productivity and help contribute to the Sustainable Development Goals? We call them SUMIKASUPER LCP and SUMIKAEXCEL PES. Perhaps you believe that plastics lose their mechanical strength or smell weird after being heated, or that they look and feel cheap. We produce some of the highest performance super engineering plastics. They also boast the highest levels of heat resistance and strength, a premium look and feel, and many excellent features. And play many roles in our everyday lives. When it comes to food, they provide especially great value. Let's take a closer look at some examples. This is a type of loaf pan for use in baking. LCP pans reduce the amount of time needed to remove bread from loaf pans for improved productivity. The pan helps produce moist results with a fine consistency. This is a result of the heat transfer effect of LCP pans. As you can see, this helped this bread, baked in a SUMIKASUPER LCP pan, to be heated more evenly. They also cool faster than metal, helping to reduce burn risk in factories and kitchens. This means you can enjoy meals sooner and safer. Do you need custom-made LCP pans molded? Contact us and let us help you. Next, let's look at some real-world examples of SUMIKAEXCEL PES. Here we have microwave-safe and steam convection oven-safe dinnerware that takes advantage of the material's ability to safely handle being heated to 180 degrees Celsius, as well as hot steam. This material can be used for various kinds of cooking tools and dinnerware, and enable better designs for tools and dinnerware to improve productivity at factories and in kitchens. And it is already in use at schools and for in-flight meals. It also benefits from less staining and easier cleaning. Eating is a familiar part of everyday life. These are just a few examples of what we offer.